Hello everyone, my name is Tony Lee and I'm a master's student in the Department of Education at Jeonnam National University. I am honored to present my research. The title of my presentation is Implementing Excel-based Virtual Science Lab for Inquiry-Based Learning. In the information age, STEM education is increasingly important. However, traditional method-based limitations such as safety risk, time constraint, and restricted access to equipment iLEAD offers immersive environment that allows safe simulation of complex scientific experiment. Inquiry-based learning, especially when structured through the 5E model, promote active participation in science learning. So, this study proposed an XR-integrated IBL model, developing a virtual science lab where learners explore difficult or hazardous experiments in a safe, immersive way. XR is an innovative educational tool that enhances immersion and interactivity, encompassing the characteristics of virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality in a broad and integrative concept. STEM education integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to help students apply concepts from the curriculum. It should integrate academic theories and practice into a model that enables students to understand and solve problems. In this situation, XR bridge virtual and real world, enabling intuitive exploration of a complex STEM concept. It supports motivation, engagement, and conceptual understanding, especially for abstract topics. Also, XR enables hands-on learning using avatars and holograms, promoting problem-solving skills through active practice. In the context of science education, employing XR technologies, the IBM model emerges as a viable instructional approach. IBM promotes active student participation, unlike traditional passive learning, and help developing scientific thinking and problem-solving abilities. Study employs the 5 instructional model. XR technology can be used to implement a virtual laboratory that enhances the exploration path of the 5E model. The steps for the 5E model are shown on the screen. As a first step in the design and development of the virtual science lab, we organize the lesson contents according to the 5E model. This instructional process is visually represented in the flowchart as shown on the left screen. Also, we develop a storyboard to implement the XR-based virtual science laboratory. You can see the part of storyboard on the right side. Developed storyboard was reviewed by 2 in-service teachers and 2 experts with doctoral degrees in educational technology. Feedback was provided on various aspects, just as it does on the screen. We developed the XR environment for Virtual Science Lab using Unity and Mixed Reality Toolkit. An avatar was created using Ready Player Me to enhance learners' engagement and immersion. The avatar's voice was synthesized using Clover dubbing, and its animation were generated with Mixamo. An example of the developed XR virtual science laboratory environment is presented in the screen. This study developed an XR-based virtual science laboratory integrating the 5 inquiry model, enabling students to explore photosynthesis in an immersive and interactive environment that addresses limitations of traditional science instructions. However, no usability evaluation was conducted to assess the learning effectiveness of the XR environment. The content is limited to one topic, and its applicability to other science areas remains unverified. Access to XR hardware and software may be restricted in some educational settings. Researchers should assess the lab's effectiveness across diverse learners, expand the content to other science topics, and explore improved interaction and interface design for enhanced engagement. Thank you.